Welcome to Gold Lantern. Gold Lantern is a cutting-edge advertising tracking system that allows you to track all your advertising and all your websites into one place. It allows you to see where people come in and where people buy, no matter which website they come through and no matter which website they end up purchasing something from you. On the home screen, you're going to see all of your data into one spot. You will see the sales, the profit, the traffic, and your opt-ins. If you scroll down, you will see all of the websites that you've installed Gold Lantern for. The powerful thing is you can also select and unselect the websites you want to, and this will change the graphs. So as you can see here, the graphs are updating themselves based on the websites that you've selected on the bottom. We've also created 5 powerful perspectives for you to look at how your advertising and websites are performing. First is native sales. Native sales means somebody entered this website and purchased here. Cross-domain sales means they came in through this website, but they bought somewhere else. External sales means somebody went to one of your other sites and ended up coming to this site and buying. Click sales is a combination of native sales and cross-domain sales. And domain sales means all the sales that happen on this site, which is a combination of external sales and native sales. So it's a very powerful perspective for you to see exactly where people are buying. And if you have multiple websites in a market, this is a vital tool because you cannot see this using any other platform. You can also see the profit per visitor, the visitor value, the opt-in value, the average cost per click if you are bidding on AdWords, and the average position that you are for that site on AdWords. If you're managing any AdWords campaigns, Gold Lantern is a dream tool. First of all, you can integrate as many AdWords campaigns as you want. Second of all, you can see all your accounts in one spot, including how much money you're making. What's the ROI after 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days? And you can control this perspective in a place called Metrics, which I will show you in a moment. But I can see at a glance right away where I'm making money, where I'm losing money, and where I need to put some effort. So here you can see I'm losing a little bit of money on this campaign. I'm making a very good ROI. So it's very powerful. I can see instantly at a glance which accounts are generating profits, what the CTR is, the average CPC, the average position, and so on and so forth. Then I can click on any account I want and dig in. So this brings me to the campaign setting. I can also click the campaigns tab on top. And again, the same perspective continues. I can see exactly which campaigns are generating a positive visitor value after 7 days, 30 days, 90 days. So I can see all of this at a glance, including the ROI, the net profit, and anything else that I want to see. Then I can click on any campaign, and this will bring me down to the ad groups level. So now I can see exactly what's happening on this ad group. I can also click and see what's happening with the keywords, if there are keywords, or the ads. And I can see exactly, these are just dummy ads, but I can see what's happening with the sales, the CTR, the average positions, and I can also pause and delete them here. Gold Lantern allows you to see any time slice that you want to see. And this is very powerful. If you want to see what your visitor value is after 48 hours, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or any combination of months, you can. You just go to the metrics section and it'll bring you to this screen. You can select if you want to look at it through the visitor value, the ROI, or your net profit. You can also create your own custom data attributes. All you need to do is click Add New, and then enter if you want a ROI, visitor value, or profit number. Enter the number of days that you'd like to track, and then give it a name. We have tons of very powerful power tools that are going to help you save a ton of time. So if you go to Power Tools and click on Ads Creation, it brings you to this screen here. This is where you can create your normal text ads, and you'll also see the character count down here. You put your display URL, your destination URL, but here's a great feature. I can select as many ad groups as I want and drop that ad into all of them. Not only will it drop them into all these different ad groups, but they will all be tagged individually. You cannot do this with any of Google's tools. You can't do this with AdWords Editor. It will not tag those ads the way we're doing them now. And I can also select different ad groups from different accounts, which you cannot do with Google AdWords Editor. Next power tool that's amazing is the bulk image ad uploader, another great time saver. You can select as many files as you want and do the same thing and select all the ad groups you want to drop them in. You put the destination URL and it'll drop all the ads in all the ad groups and tag them individually. Next great power tool is the multivariable ad creator. So here you can create multiple headlines and multiple body copy and even multiple display URLs, and it'll create and mix those ads up and create a variety of different ads. You can then go to the queue manager and manage those ads. You will see all the ads here and you'll be able to manage them and actually create a priority list of it being tested. The next great part of Gold Lantern is called traffic sources. You can go there and create any tracking you want for all your advertising. For an example, Facebook, YouTube, content marketing. And basically you can create whatever structure you want. You can create multiple different categories. You can create then campaigns, groups, and then links. So this 4-level structure allows you to create whatever tracking structure you want for every single advertising source you have. Make sure to watch the video on traffic sources to see some of our recommended best practices. Finally, we have email marketing. Email marketing allows you to track all of your different individual email lists, as well as track every single email in that campaign, and you'll be able to see how many sales and the gross value of that sales, as well as you'll be able to see which links were clicked in that email and what was purchased. So you'll be able to see which links were clicked and what happened as a result. This concludes our Gold Lantern overview. Please make sure to watch all the individual videos to get more details on each section of this amazing system. Thank you.